Evening guys, today we are back with another problem statement, and today's problem statement is based on arrays, and it's an easy problem statement, and it is based on arrays. So what we can see is we have been given a pattern known as a zigzag patterns. Okay, so it is saying that we are given an array of ARR of size n, and the task is to rearrange the elements in a zigzag fashion so that the converted array should be in the below form. So if you see the form correctly, it is saying that the first position first position is lesser than the say array the like say I can represent it like this. Wait, yeah. So I can represent it like this, that first element ARR of 0 has to be lesser than ARR of 1, which is greater than ARR of 2, and which is lesser than ARR of ARR of 4, and so on. Okay, so this is this exact pattern they are saying. They're also saying that n equals to 7, and this is a given example. After modification, the array will look like this: that 3, 7, 4, 8, 2, 1, 8, 2, 6, and 1. Okay, so let me just write the array over here. So let me quickly draw the box. So 4, 3, 7, 8, 6, 2, and 1. So if you see, this is my, say, original array, say new array, the new array. What is the new array going to be? So I have to put the new array as well, right? After checking the zigzag pattern, it is 3, then 7, then 4, then 8, okay, 2, 6, 1. So if I see carefully, what the pattern they are following is, this element is going to this element, this element is going to this element, this element is going to this element. Okay, again, if you see carefully over here, this element is okay, this is following the pattern, and this element is going to this element, this element is again going to this element. 4 and 4 done, 8 done, and 2 and 2, and you can see again this, again this. So after one zigzag, there will be an element which will not have a zigzag, and after that there will be another zigzag, and again there will be an element which have a not a zigzag, and so on. So if you see, just by looking at this array, it is just impossible to understand what is going on, even though it is an easy question, but you have to visualize like this. So it is like zig, then nothing, and again a zag. So you can write it as zag. So zigzag, nothing, and then zigzag. So while solving this, we can write the algo or the code over here. Okay, so I will over here explain the code. So we are going to take a function, say void zigzag. Okay, and in that function, what I'm going to take is, I'm going to pass an array. Okay, and I'm going to pass the size of an array. Once this is done, I'm going to run a loop. Okay, so my loop will run from int I equals to 1, I less than n minus 1, and there will be no increment counter over here. Also, I have to sort this particular array. So arrays dot sort, I can sort the array like this. Okay, once this is sorted, what I can do next is I can assign a temporary variable. So I can assign a temporary variable equals to ARR of I. Now ARR of I equals to ARR of I plus 1, and ARR of I plus 1 equals to 10. So you can see that I'm effectively swapping the values. After that, or before that, I have to again complete the increment. So I plus equals to 2 for skipping those values which are in between this zigzag point. Okay, and this was end of function. So this was all about today's problem statement, and it's very simple. You just have to implement this particular logic and the problem is done. It is as simple as that. Okay, so now we are going to go with the coding and implementation part. So over here, I'm just going to quickly write arrays dot sort. I'm going to sort the array. After that, I'm going to start a loop. See, you don't have to do the increment over here. Then assign the temporary variable. So temporary variable is storing the value. ARR of I is equals to ARR of I plus 1, and ARR of I plus 1 is equals to temporary variable. So this is as simple as this. So let's check the output. Let's submit our solution. So we have successfully completed today's problem statement, and it was an easier one, and I'm looking forward to solve more problem statements. Thank you so much, and keep following me, keep subscribing this channel, share with your friends, and it means a lot to me. Thank you.